Hey, this video is going to be just all about lighting and a specific lighting tool I've come across called the Pixel G1s. I've used many different lighting tools throughout the years, and this one just does a phenomenal job. If this is something that interests you, hang around, watch the vid, and when you stay until the end, I reached out to the people at Pixel and they gave us a special JS Photo 15% off promo code if you choose to buy one on Amazon. What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to make your lighting go from this into this. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Often the difference between a good photo or video or a great photo or video can be directly attributed to the light. This is really good news because it doesn't matter whether you're shooting with a very expensive DSLR that's professionally purposed to that or just with your phone. As long as you have good lighting, it's going to completely change the shape and tone of your videos and your images. In regards to lighting tutorials, I'm going to be covering the very basic fundamentals of just two pieces. That is your key or main light and your fill light. I'm going to show you my main light right now. This is the Pixel G1s mounted up and above, a little bit above head level, and over here is just your average lamp. I've got a warm color temperature in there, so nothing fancy there. And in the back behind Bingo is just some LED TikTok lights. So I'm going to show you the fundamentals of a key light. Oftentimes for videos and photos, we can all get away with just using a single key light to enhance our images. Typically, what you need to do is set the angle of your key light. You see you get beneath, looks dark and creepy, kind of like a campfire story. Usually I'll go for a little bit above eye level, about 15 degrees. And from there you just set your angle and it drastically changes the image around. The Pixel is very handy because it also has an RGB 360. What this means is that it has every color in the rainbow. It also has some neat modes where it will cycle through numerous colors, so you got some variation. We've used these on video production, photo shoots. When we were camping, we set these down to 1% and they lasted for about a day and a half or night and a half consecutively without needing any kind of charge. They've got a great battery, they mount to everything. But I'm going to do an unboxing here in a little bit, more about that later. There's links to all of this stuff down in the description. Also down below you'll find links to my Instagram, which is JSPhoto_official. If you're getting anything out of this content, please take the time to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can see all of the stuff that I'm up to with more tutorials and videos planned for 2022. Please click subscribe or Bingo will be very sad. Alright, and now we have come to the unboxing portion of the Pixel G1s. Here is a nice clean box. Shows you the different configurations. You can put a mic and the light all on a single camera. Alright, let's open her up. See what we got. Here is the device itself. For reference, this is about the size of an iPhone 12. What I really like about these, let me turn the autofocus on. I really like about these is that you can control with physical knobs that have, I don't know if you can hear that click, as well as buttons. A lot of other lights, they have some kind of digital menu diving button pressing, and it's not near as handy as having the physical buttons there. It's part of the reason I'm still a Nikon shooter, just with Canon and some of the other brands. There's too much menu diving. It's like a big computer system, but I'll give you a little. So that 37%. Bring this sucker down. And to change modes, there's red. You can control the hue, saturation. Here's one of the scene modes. They've got TV, lightning. We actually got to use these on a film. This is candle glowing. And here, with some instruction manuals. Multi-language instruction, nice carrying case. It's pretty nice, sturdy. They give some different mounting brackets. Oh, that's cool, and that's an adapter. Here is focus. A neat swivel mount. And this is USB-C charging, which is really neat. So I'm going to turn this on again, and let's put it in the calmer effects mode. I'm going to rattle off some specs. So the Pixel GS1 has 1500 lux. That's the way they measure light, which means it gets really bright. It's got a 3200 milliamp battery. For reference, your iPhone 12 has 2800 milliamp, and this sole purpose is to produce light, so it lasts a long time. In the regular light mode, it goes from 2500 to 8500 Kelvin color temps. It has the 360 degree full color RGB, which is every color of the rainbow and all the steps in between. The size is 5.1 by 2.7, and it is 0.6 inches thick, which it's a little over a half pound, and there are 12 different scene effects. So for the remainder of this video, I'll show some of the scenes where we have used this for photo projects, for video projects, just so you can get some ideas of the different use cases. The reason that I like this so much is it can fit in your pocket any bigger, and it's a bulky thing. The fact that it's battery operated with USB-C, they really took the time to consider everything that photo people wanted. This thing will do everything except do your taxes. The layout, I have purchased 3 of these, and shout out to Sabrina, because she figured out you can put a pop socket on the back, so when if you're physically holding them up while someone else is shooting, or you're doing both at the same time, having that pop socket there is a super handy trick. This one is fresh out the box, so I haven't put a pop socket on it yet. being able to put these on any kind of tripod as well as long selfie sticks. I got a 12-foot selfie stick that I use for 360 movies, and it's absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, if you have any further questions, please leave them down in the comments. As mentioned before, I'd appreciate it if you give me a follow on the gram. And yeah, if you got any further questions, I will be actively responding. And I'll have the promo code down below. It is JS G1s. Again, that's my name, my channel, JS Photo, and the product G1s. JS G1s at Amazon checkout, and you'll get 15% off. Mad cool. If you enjoyed this and would like to see other videos, please also let me know.